Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Friday, July the 2nd. The time is 2 a.m. GMT. Today we're going to be looking at the chart of the Russell 2000. This is Russell Futures 60 minutes chart. We could see it has ended with 4 in the minor degree right here at 2207. And then it has started to rally again in wave 5, and within the wave 5 it is subdivided into another 5 waves. So we have wave 1 right here in the minute degree, wave 2, and then we're looking for 3, 4, 5 to finish 5 in the minor degree right here. So we are looking for a 5-way sub coming from this low. As long as we don't break below 2207, we are favoring for further upside. In terms of short-term target on the upside, for example, the sort of the expected target here will be 100% extension of this 1, 2 here, coming up from the 4 here. So it can potentially go to 24, 24 as long as we don't, break below 2207. Now the arrow still remains to be black, which basically means we don't have a bullish sequence. That's what it means when it's showing a black turning up. And the reason for that is because if you look at the larger degree, let's say if you take a look at the daily, and I will place in the label here so you can see in the context. So this is the 4 in the same degree as we see in the 1-hour chart here. So we have what looks to be some sort of overlapping move starting from March 25th, that we are calling it as a diagonal, right? March 25th. Now full labels of course can be seen in our member area, and we do have 14 days free trial if you do want to check. The link is provided in the description of the video. We also currently run a 2-for-1 promotion for the July the 4th Independence Day, in which you can get 2-month subscription for the price of 1. I will put the link as well in the description of the video. Now here we are looking for a all-time high. This is the previous high. As you know, S&P or ES and the Nasdaq already break to new high, and we're looking for the Russell to join, and now looking for a wave 5 within the minor degree to be subdivided into another 5 ways: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now talking about some of the potential alternates. Okay, the first alternate we can think about, for example, is if we don't go up from here and we go down, we could technically do a double in the wave 2. So this could be, let's say we call this ABC, and then we go down again to do a bigger WXY. So you put the W here, in this case you put the X here, and this is your Y, and then in that case we will find support, another support right here, in case it does not, or in case it fails to extend on the upside. Second possibility here is the larger degree changes, right? Larger degree changes, meaning since we have not broken the previous peak here, this is the all-time high in the Russell, technically speaking, we can, for example, this entire consolidation could have been an ABC, and then we can just go down like this and do a bigger, like a W or an A, B, and a C like this, in case it fails to extend higher. But again, ES Nasdaq already break to new high, so we are not going to be taking the bearish side. We're taking the bullish side with the trend, and as long as we stay above this 2207, we are looking for the upside in the Russell. Okay, so that is the update for today, and I'll see you all again next week. Have a nice day to you all.